How to manage HD video on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage HD video on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now click these 3 points here to go to settings, and now click this one, meetings, and now all you need to do, just go down and you will find this one here, HD video. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and as you see, HD video has been turned on, and if you want to turn it off again, just click on it. And that's how manage HD video on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.